Hello guys, thank you for listening to my Chinglish. Now I'm going to do an independent testing for this LED high bay light. We should have a proper testing plan, but before it, we have to understand a general testing rules, and also we should understand the special points of the product. For every kind of product, for lights, for car, for toys, we should consider the safety first. For LED lighting, we normally refer to IEC standard and the UL standard. We also have to check all this general information such as the optical information, the electrical information, check the EMI, the lifespan, reliability, and of course the appearance. But we have to fully understand that high bay light is different from a LED panel, different from a street light, because it always have to work in factory, in the warehouse. Many factories are not BMW level, is not very comfortable working environment. It means very serious working environment, such as high temperature, high humidity, heavy smoke cause grease and dust. So we have to simulate this environment when we test this product. In some factory, there are very heavy machines. When it's turned on or turned off, or during its working, it affects a lot of the power system. So if the high bay light is not designed well or made well, it may be destroyed by the unstable power system. So we should also do a such testing to check the product. So after this understanding, this is our testing plan. Safety, appearance, optical, and the spectrum, it means the IES file, the beam angle, the lumen efficiency, the CCT, the CRI, the lifespan, IP, surge protection. Our testing will be different from some other normal testing because, as I just told you, the high bay light's working environment is special. So for this lifespan testing, the IP and the surge protection testing, we plan to do it in a normal temperature, less than 13 degrees, and also do it under a 15 degrees temperature environment. And we also to put some grease, some dust on the surface of the light's cooling. Okay, this is our testing plan. We only have one sample. We have to have a proper testing sequence. That means we have to do the non-destructive testing first, and in the last steps, because the safety testing and the surge protection testing, we have to use high volt to check the product. It may destroy the product. We do them in the last steps. For the IP checking, it's very important for high bay or other waterproof light. But we have to ensure we are using an original product from the factory. We should not lose the screws. We should not disassemble the product. So we have to do it before the lifespan checking. For lifespan checking, it's actually similar as we check human's health. When we have some cold or fever, we go to the hospital, the doctor also asks us to check the temperature, right? For LED lighting, it's some same logic. We have also to check the LED's temperature to know its lifespan. So we have to disassemble the lens to insert a thermocouple inside to check the LED's temperature. Okay, so these are our testing sequence. You may have a question, why don't we test the EMI, the long-time reliability? This is because our budget and the time and the cost. Okay, now I'm going to do all this testing step by step. To prove we are really showing you the real data, I will make the videos for all this coming testing and welcome you to monitor our testing.